In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy an AliExpress product link. By the end, you'll confidently grab the exact URL you need to share with teammates, customers, or save for later. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search box, type AliExpress and press Enter. On the results page, look for the official AliExpress website. It should clearly show the AliExpress brand and use a secure address beginning with HTTPS. Avoid confusing lookalike links or ads that might lead somewhere else. Click the official result to open the site. Once the homepage loads, move your mouse to the top right corner and hover over the account area. You'll see options related to signing in. Click the Sign In button. While you can browse without signing in, logging in can make your session more consistent, especially if you plan to compare items or check your order history. If prompted, complete your sign-in and return to the homepage. Now, head to the product page you want. You can use the site's search bar to type the product name or navigate through categories until you find the exact item. Click the product to open its dedicated page. Give the page a moment to finish loading so the full, correct URL appears in your browser's address bar. Next, move to the very top of your browser window and click once inside the address bar. This should highlight the entire web address. If it doesn't highlight everything, press Ctrl+L on Windows or CMD+L on a Mac to select the full URL instantly. You should see the text become fully selected. With the address highlighted, right-click and choose Copy. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl+C on Windows or CMD+C on a Mac. That copies the product link to your clipboard. You can now paste it wherever you need, into a message, a document, or your store notes, by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or using Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on a Mac. A quick tip: copying the full address as it appears is perfectly fine. If you ever see extra characters after the main product path, those are often tracking parameters. They won't usually affect the link, but if clarity matters, you can keep the link exactly as copied from the address bar for consistency. That's all there is to it. Open AliExpress, sign in if needed, visit the exact product page, highlight the address bar, and copy the link. Simple, accurate, and ready to share.